Guys, you see that bird is lying around in there? That's a plushie. It's a toy animal stuff. But this stuffed animal, you can throw it and it fly. If you can throw it and it fly, you can make more videos on my stuff on it. And it fly. Okay, you want to see it's gonna fly. Okay, I'm gonna fly this plushy stuffed animal or a juice. But that's a funny animal of juice. Okay, you want to see that animal fly? Okay, look. 3, 2, 1, go! It flies! Whoa, it just do like this. Whoa! It just do like this when it wake up. It's a fly. Okay, but that's flying. Okay, let's start again. Look. 3, 2, 1, Geratable! Oh my god, what is this golden? This is doing something. Okay, but that one's awesome. Okay, right, and it's because it was a very funny beat. But the funny beat, use a funny beat and the logo on the side. In Google Classroom, you can use it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. You know the Google fish when you subscribe and channeled, you can do it in the fried. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it just fly, man. Okay, you want to see it's got flying in the air, and you can do it. 3, 2, 1, go! 4, 11. I don't know what it is, man. Okay, but this one. Okay, this. Okay, that bird got fly in the air. Look, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, this is okay. Okay, this is the trampoline got fly. I think it's got fly and crash the tree. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, it fly! He bunched up with the tree. Oh, there he is. He's on the trampoline. He fell down. Bunch of tree branches. Okay, that's so big. That's it, dude. Okay, you want to see again? 3, 2, 1. Into the space of it. And then we get it fly into the bird. It just fly in the air, man.